How do I add a product line? To start, we will open the drop-down menu by clicking the arrow beside Products in the Encore menu. We will then navigate to the Product Lines section. This area allows you to add product lines that can be assigned to products entered. Product lines are used to group products that a vendor or company creates under a single brand. Type into the Add New Product Lines field and click the green Add button to add the product line. Once you have added a product line, you can assign it to any number of products. Navigate to the Products menu option in the Encore menu. We have added a few test products already. Select a product and click on the Product Line field. Select the product line from the drop-down and click Save once done. You will need to repeat this process for each product in your system. We have now added product lines. Thanks for watching.